Okay, real talk. You open the renewal. No tickets, no accidents. You didn't even kiss a shopping cart. And the number went up. Wait, I didn't crash. Why is my car insurance so expensive? You're not crazy. You're not bad with money. You're inside a stack the internet is finally yelling about. And the old answer, you must have done something, is too small for 2026. Here's what's new. For years, the story was, drive safe, pay less. Still partly true. But this cycle's videos and rate letters keep saying the same weird thing. Clean record, higher bill. Why? Because cars turned into computers. A parking lot tap that used to be a cheap ding can now wake up cameras and radar and force a recalibration. And that claim cost lands in a shared pool. Everybody's renewal feels it. That's the Claim Severity Stack. I'm going to put the juice from those insurance doubled ADAS repair no accident videos in one easy place. Then what to do before the next letter. You shouldn't need 5 rage videos to understand one renewal. This is ClickCost, hidden money systems behind normal life. Hang with me. Kill the lazy story first. Your rate went up because you did something. Sometimes? Sure. Claims, tickets, lapses matter, but millions of careful drivers got slapped anyway. Full coverage still sitting historically high. Mid-2000s a year class. Insurance in the car cost stack jumped something like 37% since 2021, faster than paychecks. Almost 4 in 10 people say owning a car feels like a luxury they can't afford. If just drive safe was enough, that letter wouldn't exist. Picture a pool. Everybody pays in. Claims pay out. When the average claim gets way more expensive, the pool has to refill. Even if you never touched a bumper. That's claim severity. Not how often you crash, how much each crash costs. Layer 1, the new expensive ding. Modern cars pack ADAS. Cameras, radar, sensors in bumpers and windshields, so you don't eat the minivan ahead. Great for safety, brutal for a tap. 10 years ago, few $100, bad mood, done. Now, a millimeter off on a sensor, special tools, dealer software, and a minor hit becomes a multi-$1,000 claim. Some repair breakdowns put sensor gear as a huge slice of the bill. Front radar parts in the hundreds to over 1,000. Windshield camera jobs near $1,000 plus calibration. Full sensor car repair way above the old bumper job. The bumper can look fine. The computer's mad. Fewer cheap claims. More expensive ones. Safety tech can cut some crashes and still make the crashes and taps that happen way pricier. And here's the unfair part comps keep repeating for a reason. Even if you never bought the fancy sensor package, you're in the same pool as the cars that did. Somebody else's expensive ding still helps refill the bucket your renewal draws from. That's why your clean record can still meet a higher bill. It's not personal. It's the pool. Layer 2. The shop sits longer. Sensor cars hang in body shops longer. More days equal, sign more rental, more labor, more waiting for shops that can calibrate. Every extra day is money leaving the pool. Layer 3. Weather doesn't care how careful you are. Hail, flood, hurricane, wildfire seasons dump claims into regional books. You can park clean and still live in a zip that wears that history. Renewals quietly bake it in. Layer 4. The slow fuse people miss. Tariffs and parts costs don't. Always. Hit your premium tomorrow. Inventories clear first. Pressure can show up in renewals a year, year and a half later. Trade headline in spring. Why did my rate go up? Email in fall. Same stack. Delayed. Layer 5. Exhaustion trap. Insurance sits next to a fat loan. Painful gas. Real maintenance. When premiums jump hard for years, people get tired. Shop only on price, slash liability, or stop shopping. Stack wins twice, once on the premium. Again when a real crash meets coverage that got too thin. Put it together. 2026 version. You didn't crash. Cars got more expensive to fix. The pool got more expensive to refill. Weather and parts costs garnished the math. Your clean record still matters. It just doesn't cancel the claim severity stack. So what do? Defense. not drama. Your policy page is the truth. First, shop every renewal with the same coverages side by side. One email equal sign negotiating with yourself. Same limits, same deductibles. Then look at price. That's actual shopping, not hoping. Second, don't save by gutting liability. Cheap premium that leaves you open to somebody else's sensor bill isn't a win. Ask what changed before you celebrate. Deductible, limits, rental, glass. Third, quote, insurance before you fall in love with a car. Two SUVs can look identical and live in different repair cost worlds. Same shape, different sensor stack, different renewal, forever. The camera farm bumper follows you into every letter. Fall in love after the quote, not before. Fourth, ask about glass and calibration. Windshields are sensor mounts now. If the shop can't recalibrate, you can pay twice. Fifth, match your deductible to the car you drive. Old, simple car math doesn't fit a sensor-heavy newer car. Minor clears old thresholds faster now. Golden rule, no accident. Higher insurance. Don't ask, what did I do wrong? Ask, what got more expensive to fix? And is my renewal still the best pool for me? See that? And you insure on your terms. That's ClickCost. If this made your renewal make sense, subscribe. Next, why oil can drop while gas stays stuck at the pump. I'll see you in the next one.